लास्ट असेंब्ली इलेक्शनाक सगळ्यांक खबर आसा की आम आदमी पार्टीक गोंयकारांनी एब्सोल्युटली रिजेक्ट केलेली. ती ज्यो तोपयो दिसनात आतां, लोकांक तोपयो घालून गेले ते 4 जाण काय 5 जाण दिसतात तोपयो घालून, उरलेले तोपयो खंय दिसत ना बिकॉज तितरी ती लोकांक तोपयो घातल्यो. And today they have found a new way of making their political presence felt by making some wild charges. काय अर्थ ना तेका, काय बेस ना, no evidence is the charge, but you say something and they want to remain trying to show their political presence. आणि सगळ्यांक खबर आसलें and everybody knew, the public perception was very clear that AAP was contesting to divide the non-BJP votes. And every गोंयकारांनी वो प्लान तेंचो पळोवन 39 सीट्सांतलो 38 डिपॉझिट जप्त. लोकां फुड्यार एविडन्स इतलें आसलें की हिंकां BJPन उबे केलेले. आनी जरी तर गोवा फॉरवर्ड हितून नासली जाल्यार आप 20% वोट जर तो घेता जाल्यार भारतीय जनता पार्टी वूड हॅव एबल टू फॉर्म द गव्हर्मेंट ऑन इट्स ओन बाय गेटिंग 21 seats. And that was the game plan. Eyes, they are so nervous. Instead of attacking the party, they are attacking our leader Vijai Sardessai. Because it is becoming very clear to every Goan that Vijai Sardessai is taking up issues that will safeguard the interest of Goenkar and Goenkarponn. And this is making them totally nervous. And the emptiness of AAP's program for Goa stands exposed. There is nothing for Goa. Delhi just repeat, Delhi, what is for Goa? And Goa Forward and Vijai Sardessai and his ministers are all Goa-centric. We don't have to see Delhi. Why we have to see Delhi?